This is the critical angle, total internal reflection interactive calculator, which determines when light traveling through different materials will reflect completely instead of passing through. The calculator has 6 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu. Calculate critical angle from refractive indices. Calculate N2, less dense medium from critical angle. Calculate N1, denser medium from critical angle. Calculate refracted angle below, critical angle. Calculate Brewster's angle polarization. And calculate numerical aperture fiber optics. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate critical angle from refractive indices. The input fields include refractive index N1 for the denser medium, refractive index N2 for the less dense medium, critical angle Θc in degrees, incident angle Φ in degrees, core refractive index NCOR, and cladding refractive index NC latting. For our example, I'll enter 1500 for N1 representing glass, and 1000 for N2 representing air. After clicking Calculate, the calculator provides the critical angle at which total internal reflection occurs. This angle represents the minimum incident angle where light traveling from the denser to less dense medium reflects completely back into the denser medium, which is fundamental for fiber optic design and optical instruments. Find the link in the description below